subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 2, a snake charmer's story, standard 5th EVS. In this chapter we will discuss about the snake charmers. Dear students, you must have seen snake charmers in many pictures and movies. You would thought that how they catch snakes and they are not afraid, why they are not afraid of snakes. So to answer all these questions, let's start this topic, a snake charmer story. First, we can see here a picture of snake charmers. Who are snake charmers? Snake charmers or speras who make the snake dance by playing the bean. Community of snake charmers is known as Kalbelias. They catch the poisonous snakes and remove their poisonous teeth. Their poisonous teeth are also called fangs. They move from their one place to another, carrying their snakes in bamboo baskets. Next, speras were a great help of village people. How? In former times, generation after generation, they entertained people by playing the bean and making the snake dance. They gave medicines made from the plants collected from forest. In return, people would give money or food grains. In this way, they would manage their life. How many snakes, poisonous snakes are found in India? Do you think all snakes are poisonous? No. Most of the snakes are not poisonous. Out of different kinds of snakes found in our country, only 4 types of snakes are poisonous in India. They are Russell viper, cobra, afai and common krait. Do you know cobra is the longest poisonous snakes. Common krait is the most deadliest snake. A snake has 2 hollow teeth. Fangs. Fangs means poisonous teeth present in their upper jaw. They store and inject the venom when the snake bites. So when it bites, the poison enters the person's body through the fangs. There is a medicine for snake bite. The medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. Snakes are also called farmer's friend because snake help human by eating rats present in fields which spoil the crops. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high prices. So they made a law against it. Because of this law, even snake charmers are also not able to keep them. Now it becomes so difficult for them to earn their livelihood. Without snake, how will they entertain people? Snake charmers never killed snakes. Snakes were their treasure. Even they used to gift snakes to their daughters when they got married. But law is law. Law is same for all. So Kalbelia people started to dance and entertain people. Kalbelia dance. What do you know about Kalbelia dance? Kalbelia dance is a folk dance of Rajasthan state of India, which is performed by a tribe of the same name. It is well known by other names like Spera dance or snake charmers dance. Their Kalbelia dance also has movements similar to the dance of the snake. Both men and women participate in this dance to celebrate joyful occasions. At present, they do not keep snakes with them. They entertain people with their dance. After discussing this topic, what we have learned? After discussing this topic, we have learned that human has no right to take someone's freedom to earn their livelihood. We should support law, Wildlife Protection Act 1972 to protect the wildlife. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you.